So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'm going to talk about the arcade program which is currently running. Basically July event will be ending soon. So in case you haven't completed any of the badges yet, do complete it. As you can see, all the games are already live and you have time till 31st of July. So try to complete as soon as possible, and if you haven't started yet, I'll recommend to just check the playlist. Here is the channel. Just subscribe the channel first of all, and here all related infos are always available. So here you can see all the solution for all the levels and skill badges are live. And just watch it. And if you are new to the completely new to the program, you can just watch the zero to hero program, basically video. And here, if you haven't started yet, start from the trivia, complete all trivias. They are very easy, you can complete with ease. Now you can see all these trivias are here. Basically here we have to complete only 4 to 5 labs and we get the page. So better I will recommend complete all these, and then in the next cohort you can start it. So you can clearly see the event will be ending on 31st. They have clearly mentioned it. I repeat, you should complete all the games, and if you have any games left like you are already applied in the program, just complete as soon as possible. Now for the completely new participant, I said you to watch the zero to hero. I will link the video in the description, watch it. Now this is the main thing which I wanted to say about this program. And a new cohort 2, basically the arcade facilitator program, will be starting soon. Do like the video and subscribe the